We're at 2105 Magnolia Avenue, Unit A. This is the downstairs unit, so a ground floor unit of the building. We're entering into our front door here. We have our living room, and then you can see our kitchen and bathroom through there. This unit is cooled by window units and a mini split, so no central AC or heating, but it's very evenly cooled with these units, so no worries there. Here is part of our kitchen here, and then right over to our left, we have a little step up, and then we have our range, our refrigerator, and some extra cabinet and counter space. We have this little nook over here, could be a good storage space. Turning around here, you can see there's our kitchen sink again. Through this door here, we have a shared laundry room. This is shared with the neighbors. It does lock off to not enter into the unit, but this is shared space here for these laundry units. Heading back out now, we'll turn around. There's our refrigerator again, and we'll go to the bedrooms. This flooring is a tile flooring. It looks like wood, but it is tile, so great for easy cleaning. Here's the first bedroom. This is the larger of the bedrooms. It's on the front side of the unit. You can see a beadboard is our accent on our wall. It's in our ceiling, and then our window unit. We have a fairly good sized closet in this room as well. Heading back out, we're heading towards the back of the unit now. Here is our bathroom. We have a newly tiled walk-in shower, and then this is shared between the two bedrooms. So here is our second bedroom. This is on the back side of the unit. Again, has its own window unit for cooling. And then we have our closet space as well. This is an older home, so the beadboard is original to the home. It was just a style of the time. So again, this is 2105 Magnolia Avenue, Unit A, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at BarronsPM.com.